everyone. It's Gaga Joy. Gaga's Joy's cooking. I'm glad you're here today. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Well, simple. And it's baked potatoes with potato skins. And I know that sounds silly, but when we were growing up, my mother always took the baked potatoes and she made skins out. When she made the skins good enough, but we always ate the skins on the baked potatoes. I just assumed that everybody did that. I did it for my children. And I'm using Crisco. You can use anything you want to. I was using Crisco because it sticks a little bit better. And there's 2 sweet potatoes in here. It has nothing to do with this recipe. My little dog likes sweet potatoes. So I thought, well, while I'm cooking potatoes, I'll just cook her a couple sweet potatoes for the week. I guess it hurt to put a little bit. I always cut if it looks like a bad spot, I cut it out. And sure don't hurt him. These are small baked potatoes. That's what I had on hand, and I didn't have time to go do anything else. Now I'm rolling them in salt. Get as much warm as I can. I'm using this pink salt because it's coarser. After you get everything on a baked potato, you don't need a really baked potato. Big baked potato. I'm just wondering, do you normally bake potatoes so that you could have the skin? And everybody likes the skin. Okay. Now on this one, I'm going to put onion, garlic, salt, little paprika. Maybe this is what you call killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Potato skins and baked potatoes go together. And a paprika. Smoked paprika. A little bit of smoked paprika. I got the oven heated on 425. Now these potatoes are small, so it'll probably take about 45 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay. Actually, they were in there an hour and 5 minutes, so, and I had it on 425, so that was strange. Okay, put my little doggies over there. See? Oh. Smashed potatoes with potato skins. go. That just looks delicious. Let's put a little butter. Let's put a little butter on one. This one's open the best. Butter and sour cream. My kind of potato. And I'm sure yours too. Yeah, there's other things you can put on, but this is strictly what I like. They're so fluffy and good. The best. And the skin. Divine. I can't tell you. Try it. It's a little simple recipe, but it's so good. Take care of yourself. See you soon.